Well, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, while speaking in Raipur, emphasized that Hindus must stay united, saying that was perhaps the only solution to the problems faced by Hindus, such as in Bangladesh. He also said that no one could touch Hindus if they stay united. The Congress has now slammed Bhagwat, saying that his message of unity is undermined by BJP and the VHP leaders, saying that they consistently spew hatred. Take a listen.
हम हिंदू समाज के लोग हिंदू के नाते विचार करते हैं तो बहुत सारी परिस्थितियां दिखती है अपने को, जैसा बांग्लादेश का आपने उल्लेख किया महाराज जी ने। किसी भी क्षेत्र में विचार करें तो कोई ना कोई संकट दिखाई देता है और उसकी चर्चा भी बहुत होती है, लेकिन संकटों की चर्चा करके फायदा तो कुछ नहीं। संकटों का हिसाब किताब ध्यान में आ गया, इतनी चर्चा कर ली तो पर्याप्त है। चर्चा तो उपायों की ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोगों को जो संकट दिखते हैं आसपास, आपके व्यक्तिगत जीवन के हो या अपने राष्ट्रीय जीवन के हो, उन संकटों का उपाय अपने पास ही है।
Mr. Bhagwat has said about unity, stability and collective strength. I agree with him. We all should be united. But the issue is his own chief ministers, because the RSS is the BJP and the BJP is the RSS, do not follow it. I mean, Yogi Adityanath spews hate every day onto Muslims. Himanta Biswa Sarma abuses Muslims. So, and most of the party men of Vishwa Hindu Parishad attack Christians, abuse Christians. So if this is the truth, then they should do it, because as we know, VHP is a part of RSS. So first he should go and preach to them. Ask these people that why they are not listening to him. If that is the truth, they should listen to him and he should control them.